Generative AI has become quite successful in making music, creating drawings, but generating a food dish that people would really like to eat still seems far away of being perfect. And in this video, I'm gonna cook a recipe generated by AI and introduce you to the Jurassic 1 model. Let's get started! Hey there, Olia here, helping you to go smoother and faster with conversational AI design and development. And in this channel, I'm sharing knowledge on the conversational design, doing tutorials on design and development. So if you're new here, consider to subscribe.
Recently, AI 21 Studio has been launched. It's a new developer platform where you can use the state-of-the-art Jurassic 1 language models and build your own applications. Jurassic 1 models are quite versatile, and with these models you would be able to generate human-like text or, for example, solve some complex tasks such as question answering or text classification. So I've decided to go for a vegan Halloween recipe, and I've just typed down vegan Halloween recipes and ingredients, and the rest was just generated. I'm pretty much excited to start cooking, so here we go.
You know what the problem is? I just now see that it's a lot of food. I think it was my last video for cooking. I didn't even expect that it will be so long. So, here we go. You know, I think it's not bad. I think I like it. I would probably do it a little bit, I would do less amount of the vegetables. I would recommend you to do this, and thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time.